Hey Fee fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Fee and today I'm back with another video. But before we get into the video, if you're not yet a part of the Fee fam, where really I do? Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family. So guys, today we're gonna make green banana porridge. So normally when I'm gonna make my porridge, I normally boil my spices first. So I'm just adding a pinch of salt. Also I'm adding 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 4 ounces of vanilla, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon, and also 1 teaspoon of ground mace. So I'm just going to allow that to boil for roughly 5 minutes. While the spices are boiling, I'm just going to go ahead and peel my bananas. Make sure to keep your bananas in hot water or room temperature water because you want to slow down the process of enzymatic browning. So while you're peeling your bananas, make sure to remove all the skin because the skin can be very bitter and also staining, and you don't want to have that in your porridge. So make sure to always remove the green part of the banana, which is the skin. So after you finish peeling your bananas, you just want to go ahead and blend them. So I like to use milk when I'm making my porridge because it makes it creamier. So I went in with my milk to blend my green bananas. So you can use water. This step is optional. You can use water if you don't have milk. It will taste just as good. So I'm using 2 cups of milk to blend my bananas. So after you finish blending your green bananas, what you want to do now is to add it to your spices. So that spice that you were boiling on the stove for 5 minutes or how long you take to do it, just add your green banana mixture to it. So make sure to mix it out properly. If you have a whisk, go in with your whisk because it does a better job than just using the spoon. And you want to keep mixing out until everything becomes smooth. Get rid of all the lumps. After you finish mixing your banana mixture into your spices, what you want to do is just to allow it to cook for 15 minutes. So my 15-minute was up, so I went in with some brown sugar and some condensed milk to sweeten my porridge. You can use whatever sweetener of your choice. You can use honey, brown sugar, white sugar, condensed milk, whatever you like, Lasco, whatever you like to sweeten your porridge with. Go ahead and sweeten your porridge with that. I, for one, love some brown sugar and condensed milk in my porridge, and I love my porridge sweet, as I said before. Don't forget to like out this video, guys, and also share it with a friend. And if you're not yet a subscriber and you're this far in my video, I am pretty sure that you learned something new today. So just hit that red subscribe button because every week I teach something new.